Today I'll show you how to use Claude AI to write a job description. Before we begin, there's one important thing to understand. Claude works best when you don't ask for something too vague. If you simply type, "write a job description," the result may sound generic. But if you give Claude the job title, responsibilities, required skills, experience level, work setup, and company tone, the job description becomes much more useful and much more professional. To get started, open Claude and begin with the basics. Tell Claude the exact role you're hiring for. Then add the department, whether the position is full-time or part-time, remote or on-site, and the seniority level. For example, you might say you need a remote junior customer support specialist, a senior graphic designer, or a full-time sales manager. Now add the details that really matter. Include the main responsibilities, required qualifications, preferred skills, tools the person should know, and what success in the role looks like. You can also tell Claude about your company style. For example, you can ask for a job description that sounds formal, friendly, modern, startup-focused, or corporate. Once Claude gives you the first draft, don't stop there. Read through it and improve it. Ask Claude to shorten long sections, make the tone clearer, remove unnecessary words, or rewrite the description so it sounds more attractive to the right candidates. This step is important because the first version is usually a strong draft, but not always the final version. You can also ask Claude to organize the job description into sections like job summary, responsibilities, qualifications, preferred skills, salary information, and application instructions. That makes the final post much easier to copy into LinkedIn, your website, or a job board. If you already have an old job description, you can paste it into Claude and ask it to rewrite, modernize, or improve it. That's often faster than starting from zero. So, in simple terms, give Claude clear job details, ask for a structured draft, then refine the wording until it matches the role and your company voice. And that's how to use Claude AI to write a job description. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.